Is it just me? Is it just me? I hate holding babies and people trying to save me. Think religion is a business where you pay for God's forgiveness. Modern art is boring, politicians are annoying. I don't think love lasts forever, and old music was better.